Auntie Jen.
I'm Chef Hadrian.
Let's play with Hadrian.
What are you making today, Hadrian?
I'm making broccoli cheese muffin.
Woo! Nice. Muffins start with letter M. M.
That's not an M.
What? M, right? Okay, alright.
I am my mommy. I love my mommy. Yes, I do. He is a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you, mommy. How do you do?
Thank you, Hadrian. You have a lovely voice.
I love you for lovely.
Okay. Broccoli is a superfood.
Yes.
Just like Hadrian, it's a super Hadrian. Yeah.
How about super gingerbread man?
Super gingerbread man. Gingerbread man runs really fast, right?
Yeah, like this.
Where's Hadrian? Superfood that means that it's very healthy. You know why it's very healthy? It's because there's lots of antioxidants, lots of vitamin C, lots of fat, omega-3 for your brain development, and these are all good for you, for all the kids as well.
You too?
Yes, for me as well.
With Daddy.
Daddy's good too, so let's get started. Pieces. Yeah, it's pretty fine chopped. Yep, it's ready. First thing we need to sift is our all-purpose flour. And little Chef Hadrian is working hard.
A shaker.
It's not a shaker, it's a colander, right? And then you're going to baking
Soda.
baking powder this time. Yeah, it's dry or wet ingredients.
Dry.
Dry ingredients. One and one more, okay? Okay, one more. 2 teaspoons. And then we also need some salt. Okay, very good. Okay, I think we can add a little bit more. What is this? This is called it?
I see garlic.
Yeah, that's a garlic. Your favorite. It's garlic powder.
That's not my favorite.
Okay, that's not your favorite. We're gonna have half a teaspoon. Okay, so it smells really good. You can also put pepper or onion powder, something that give it a more flavor. Okay, so we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients and then we're gonna set this aside, okay? And then we are gonna have another bowl and we're gonna put all our wet ingredients here. So which ones is our wet ingredients?
Avocado.
It's an avocado oil. You can also use any type of oil you like. And we'll have our 1 egg. Woo!
Ice cream.
Yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. You can also use other yogurt. Can you pour this in? What color is it going to turn into?
I don't know. Yellow.
Maybe. You haven't finished mixing it yet. Put some cheese in it first. Well, I am putting mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese this time. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's really hard. Remember to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, well done. Okay, so now we need to add our dry ingredients, okay? Yeah, you can help, Hadrian. Pour it. Can we pour half first? Whoa, okay, let's pour half first. Whoa! Ooh, and look at this. This is how it looks like. Okay? And the final ingredients we need to put is our superfood. Broccoli, yes! We just want these to be all combined. Okay? We don't want it to overmix it. Thank you, Hadrian. That's a lot of broccoli. Woohoo! Just put it in here. Woohoo! Set the timer. 25 minutes, okay?
Let's count.
Let's count. Count. 'Is this too big for you? Are you sure? Are you okay? You boxer? Okay. Whoa, looks very yummy, Hadrian. Don't touch it. Are you alright, Hadrian? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 12 muffins. Woohoo! Nice counting. Whoa! It smells so cheesy. There's no sugar. We didn't put any sugar in this. It's very healthy with broccoli, superfood, super vegetables. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Hadrian? What does that mean? Is it yummy or is it not good or what? Somebody's not sharing. It's too yummy. Whoa, somebody's angry. Why is he angry? Oh my god, they're so crispy. Okay. Ooh, look at that. All the melted cheese. Ooh. Wow, so if you like our channel, please like and subscribe below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.